SIGER Data's Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
The machine used is a Sinelli size 600 mm turn CNC lathe. The workpiece is a spline drive shaft widely used in gearboxes, hydraulic pumps, and automotive transmissions, with high requirements for dimensional accuracy, coaxiality, and surface quality. During drive shaft machining, the following challenges are common. Risk accumulation across multiple processes. Various tools involved with complex load variations. No real-time monitoring of tool condition. Delayed detection increases machining risks. Over-reliance on operator experience. Lack of standardization and data support. Low tool life utilization. SIGER Tool Monitoring System enables real-time tool condition monitoring. Power sensors on the spindle and live tool collect load data, combined with AI algorithms to identify tool conditions accurately. For spline shaft machining, high-precision thresholds are set. When abnormal wear, breakage, or load deviation occurs, the system triggers instant alarms and locks the faulty tool position, preventing dimensional errors and batch scrap. Data-driven tool life management. Based on historical data and real-time conditions, the system builds a tool database with visualized management. It avoids premature or delayed tool changes, reducing tool cost and improving process stability. Fast deployment and wide compatibility. Multiple machines deployed within 2 weeks. Operators become proficient within 1 hour. Compatible with various machines and mainstream CNC systems. Based on one hardware platform, it can be expanded into a 4-in-1 solution. Tool monitoring, collision protection, adaptive machining, and thermal error compensation. Choose SIGER Reduce Cost, Boost Efficiency, and ensure worry-free production.